square root. So what is a square root? Let's take an example of, you know what? To learn what is square root, we will start with another thing. So, how much is 4 times 4? 16. And 3 times 3, it is 9. Okay, so we can say that 4 times itself results in 16. So, if I will ask you, what number should you multiply by itself to get the number 16? You would say 4. And if I would ask the same question about the number 9, you would say 3, because 3 times itself is 9. So the square root of 16 is 4, and the square root of 9 is 3, because the definition of square root is what number should I multiply by itself, which will result in my number. Okay, let's take an example. What is the square root of 4? So, the square root of 4 is, let's ask ourselves, what number should I multiply by itself, which will result in 4? 1 times 1 is 4? No. 2 times 2 is 4? Yeah. So, 2 is the square root of 4. Let's check. We can see that it is the correct answer. So, this is the definition of the square root. And to find what is the square root of bigger numbers, for example, the square root of 9,000. Square root of 9,000. So, to calculate this, there is no actually a good method. What we need to do is to think about it in our head. For example, to ask ourselves, maybe it's 10, maybe 10 times 10 is, no, 10 times 10 is 100. So maybe 50 times 50 is, no, it's bigger, it's 2,000. So I know it's somewhere between the 10 and the 50. So maybe, I don't know, 40 times 40 is 1,000. No. So maybe 30 times 30 is 900. Okay, so the square root of 900 is 30. So there is no good method, but we can work it out and try to figure it out on our head by doing these steps. This is the best method I can offer you. And it's not so important to know how to calculate this on our head, because we have calculators for this type of operation, but we should know how to do basic stuff with the square root.